Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare cauliflower cream soup. Ingredients for cauliflower cream soup. Cauliflower 1 kg, around 50 numbers of garlic cloves, little mint leaves, 1 onion and 1 green chili. If you want more spicy, you can add one more green chili. If you want more hot, you can add one more green chili. We are using only one green chili. Salt to taste and required oil or ghee or butter. Remove the stem and only remove the flower. You have to thoroughly wash with warm water and turmeric powder and salt. And we diced the onion just to wash in warm water. We kept that one in flame. No need to boil the water, just it should be warm. We have added already turmeric powder and salt, so we have to wash thoroughly with that one. Keep the pan in flame. Add ghee. Onion. Add the garlic cloves and green chili. If you want one more green chili, you can add. So washed cauliflower. So we are going to grind as a paste, so big piece, small piece, no problem. Anyway, we are going to grind this one. Last time we have put cauliflower full meal soup, so you can have a look that one also. We are not going to add any artificial cream. See, everything is natural only. It's mint leaves. Salt to taste. So you can add the boiling water with this one. We are going to lid this. So we are going to open the lid. Approximately we have lidded for 10 minutes. I think it's cooked. Yes, it is. So we're going to switch off the flame. Let it to cool for some time. We're going to filter the filtrate, and we will take only the cauliflower pieces. Transferring that to the blender jar. I can smell the flavor of cauliflower. So those who are on diet, they can have cauliflower soup. We filtered the stock, cauliflower stock from cauliflower. You're going to grind this one. If it is too hot to hold, just keep a cloth, because you cannot grind if it is too hot. So we grinded this one. Going to transfer to the pan, which is having the cauliflower stock. This is only half of the cauliflower we have grinded. Still half is remaining. We have grinded the remaining half, and we have added that one also with this. So everything is already cooked. So when it's going to start boiling, we can switch off the flame. See, if you feel it's little dense, you can add little more water. So to get the required consistency. Check the salt. If required, you can add salt as per your taste. So, little pepper powder. That is enough. It's hot now. It started boiling. We're going to switch off the flame. Cauliflower cream soup from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.